Alright, so, lots of stuff's been happening, let's see right here, yeah, I got recording, basically, I might have downloaded a Java update onto my laptop, and I might have downloaded one of the updates that had the virus on it, and I downloaded it from the official website, but, I just wanted to record this to say, I might not be able to record the vids for quite a while. I'm really sorry. Well, that's all I wanted to talk about.